Thank you for riding along with Hill on Two Wheels on this beautiful NorCal Sunday morning. The traffic is a little heavy, but believe it or not, it's lighter than it normally is this time of day. So that's a good thing. We're on our way to Dixon, California for Hot Rods and Harleys, brought to you by Iron Steed Harley-Davidson, along with ABATE 17. We're at Hot Rods and Harleys in Dixon, California.
25th anniversary.
25th anniversary.
Hi guys.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good ride.
Yeah, where'd you ride from?
Sacramento.
Oh, us too. Well, Folsom. Did you have to split lanes?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gotta be careful.
Well,
Yeah.
I notice more people are getting over now than ever used to ever.
Oh.
Usually they would get closer together.
Yeah.
Now you can see people going, oh shit, bike.
It is
oh, shit.
starting to change a little bit.
Thank
Yeah.
fucking God.
That's
I love the AMF paint job though.
Oh yeah, that's the 70, what, 70
70.
Check this out. It's the new FTR, first one we've seen on the street.
Dave is doing his thing.
Uh-huh.
How are you?
Good. I
Good?
read your magazine all the time.
Oh, well,
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
I'm Stan.
John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Terry.
Terry, nice
to meet you.
Usually get it at Elkhorn Saloon.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank
I
you
live
very
right
much.
over the river bridge. So
Oh, we
that's
love that
a good
place.
to be.
Oh, we love that place. Yeah. They're
Very
baking
cool.
there. It's like,
Oh, I know.
Oh, did he say Elkhorn?
yeah.
Elkhorn Saloon, their bacon is
Oh,
this thick.
I know.
Man.
Food's all good there.
Yeah.
I've never had a bad
And the
meal.
drinks aren't bad either.
Oh, the drinks are good too. Oh, hell yeah! What are you doing, girl?
Goofball. What you got going on here?
Oh gosh, it's our 25th annual bike show.
Yeah?
22nd annual hot rod show.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right
First time
on.
here. Look at the
And who are
crowds,
you?
beautiful weather. Glenn Phillips, president of ABATE Local 17.
Yes. Yeah. I'm a volunteer. Nice. We always have to have our volunteers, right?
Without them, this wouldn't happen.
Exactly. Look at this.
Yeah, people's choice voting,
Oh, right on. Right on.
where the fans participate.
Yeah.
7
Check
years
this out.
of a business membership with ABATE Local 17.
That's right.
You take care of us, we love you.
We love you guys, man. You guys,
What am
hey,
I?
what a great partnership it's been working with these
Oh,
guys.
it's absolutely.
Turned out to be another big one.
This is great. This is great venue. Great venue.
Good.
I like Thunder Roads magazine because they publish a lot of great articles. They're always venturing off around the United States. They always taking pictures and hanging out with the fans.
Yeah.
Do their own thing. It's free. And you have a lot of contributors who take care of business and help them out. And they're good people to hang around.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Absolutely no violence. The singing was oh, I think so too.
Sorry for interrupting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh.
Rudy, what time are the awards? 3 o'clock for trophies.
Rudy, where are you from?
Right here in Dixon.
Oh, nice.